Yeah, no be lie. Welcome to Daisy Notos. So you check air condition, you just replace new condenser for Mercedes Benz 2003 model. So the condenser get fault, so we got to replace new one. So after we fix am, during the test, put our pressure gas. So we put the pressure gas, the check, and we dey use soap. They check those places where we tight those joint. So after we fix am, begin dey use that soap. They check those joints to see whether it dey leak. Sometimes you got to check like that so that you go do 2 times work. So thank you for watching. Stay blessed. One love. This clothing.